What's up guys, Ritesh here back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you a demo on how to convert any image into text. For example, I will take an image and convert it into text using optical character recognition based system, that is OCR. Okay, so this is a very simple step because in today's video I'm going to use Tesseract, means Tesseract, which is an open source library for converting any image into text. Okay, so here you can see I have created a notebook called OCR Tesseract Python.ipynb. Okay, so I have created this on Google Colab, which is a very good collaboratory for performing operations, for performing heavy operations, and it has a GPU also, which my laptop doesn't. That's why I opt this one. Okay, so what is OCR? It stands for Optical Character Recognition, and using this we can identify and recognize the text from any image file or whatever you say, like PDF or so on. Okay, so for this purpose I'm going to use Tesseract, which is a free, means open source module for OCR based operations in Python programming language. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you that Tesseract is a library which will take an image as an input and will convert the text on this image. Okay, so as you can see that you have to first install it in order to use it efficiently. Okay, so I'm going to move on the installation process, because without installation of Tesseract you cannot use this module. Okay, and if you want to use Colab, then just type Colab on Google search and then search it, and on the very first URL you will see colab.research.google.com. This is a very good platform for normal operations or heavy operations which you cannot do on your machine, on your simple machine like my laptop here. So in order to use Tesseract you first need to install it, and for this purpose I am showing you how to install it on an Ubuntu system, and this will be same as on Mac. Okay, so exclamation mark tells us, the compiler, that we are giving it a system command, and on executing this we will see that it will add that command as a, it will take that input as a command. Okay, so as you can see here, first of all it will connect here and it will start connecting, and now it is initializing. And if you want to run this program, means this notebook, as a GPU, then go to your runtime and here change runtime type, and as you can see runtime type is Python 3 and hardware accelerator is selected to GPU. Defaultly it will be none or either TPU. You can also select GPU or TPU. GPU is quite faster than TPU, so I will prefer that one. Okay, so just save it, and it is busy, and I'm gonna enter it and it will install. Okay, so as you can see it is too fast. That's also done. Okay, so now I'm going to install Tesseract OCR, this one, and finally we will hit this. Okay, let it install. Okay, so now we are going to check if it is installed or not. If it will be correctly installed, it will tell us what version we are using of Tesseract. Okay, so it has been installed perfectly. So here you will see image downloader. What is image downloader and why even do we need them? So this is a program created by me in previous videos, okay, and I will put a link down in description for that video. And this is a image downloader program in Python. Okay, so why I'm using this? Because I want to download any image from a Google search and then test whether all the written things on that image will be printed the same or not. You can approximately get 95% plus accuracy using the Tesseract module in Python. Okay, so this is a simple step of downloading image from Google search because I'm testing it live. Okay, so previously I have downloaded all the images, and to see your files, you need to click on this pop-up menu, and then here on files you can see there are a lot of files. I'm gonna refresh them. Okay, so in sample data all of your file will remain. Okay, so as you can see that all of these images have a written thing: life is short, smile while you still have teeth, etc. Means I want to recognize this text as a text format, as a string in Python. Okay, so finally I'm going to run this module. So before running, I'm going to show you that I have used CV2 for opening that image and converting it to grayscale, because grayscale will be a lot beneficial and it will be a lot accurate. And then I have imported NumPy for some array operations, and Tesseract as usual for performing the main OCR things, and finally PIL for means image kind of thing. Okay, so here is a function. It will first read the image, and the argument I have given it is image path. So now I use this one kernel and then image, etc, etc. Finally I have written that image, means that grayscale image, as remove noise.png. Okay, so finally I have written that image to image path, and then this is the most important line. This is used to recognize text with Tesseract in Python. Okay, so what it is doing is it is converting that image directly to a string, and this is based on deep learning, and it provides a lot of accuracy. Okay, finally we have printed, means returned the result. So here, what is file name? This is the file name. File name is equals to .jpg. It is first downloading that image, and that is this image, and we will see if the output is correct or not. Okay, so now I'm going to run this. So here is the output, and it is quite exciting, because you can see that here it has printed life is short, smile while you still have teeth. That's a funny quote. And here is the second image. So this is the image which quotes life is short, comma, and then smile while you still have teeth, then full stop or a period. Okay, so you can see that life is short, smile while you still have teeth, means it has printed exactly the same thing that is written on our image. And I'm going to show you a live demo. For example, I'm going to search for quotes. Now I'm going to hit images tab. Okay, so here is an image. Okay, I'm going to take another one. This one. This sounds quite good. Okay, so I'm now going to copy this image address, and I will paste in the image downloader section. It will download that image on the Google Colab. URL would be the copied URL which I just copied, and then I'm gonna run it again. Okay, so now you can see that it will have a file in your files. Okay, I'm going to refresh it. Yes. Okay, so 2.jpg. so this is the same image as this one, and now I'm going to check whether it prints the same output or not, means the same text that is written on this image or not. Okay, here we go. Okay, it printed, I never dreamed about success, I worked for it. And this is the quote, I never dreamed about success, I worked for it. This is exactly the same as it has been printed on that image, and as you can see it is quite good. But there is a problem. For example, if you take this image, since there is some blurry kind of thing in the background, so it will not give the correct output. For example, I am showing you. Okay, where it go? Here. First of all, I'm gonna close it. Now in the URL, I will paste the copied URL again. Okay, so now it is running and it has downloaded that image. Okay, So now I'm going to run it again and see if it can print the correct output. So as you can see that it does not printed the same as on this page, means in this image it is 300 inspiring life quotes that will change you forever. However, the output is not same because the background is not so clear, and if you want to achieve accuracy about 95%, you must give a plain background, either black or white will be good. Okay, so that's it for this video. This was just a demo for demonstrating how to use OCR in Python. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and have a nice day. Bye bye.